Are you struggling to create a secret hash for AWS Cognito using Boto3? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to break it down step by step. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't work as expected. You set everything up, and then you hit a wall. This is a common issue when working with AWS Cognito and app client secrets. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how do I create a secret hash for AWS Cognito using Boto3 in Python? They mentioned that enabling the app client secret broke their existing code. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what exactly is the secret hash? It's a keyed hash message authentication code, or HMAC, that combines your client secret, username, and client ID. This is crucial for authenticating requests when using Cognito with an app client secret. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to create the secret hash, but also understand why it's essential for your AWS Cognito setup. To create the secret hash, the user first needs to import the necessary libraries. Specifically, they will need the HMAC and hashlib libraries from Python. Next, the user should define a function to calculate the secret hash. This function will take the username and the app client secret as parameters. Now the user can call this function to generate the secret hash. They need to pass in the username, client ID, and client secret. Finally, the user should include the secret hash in the auth parameters when calling the initiate auth method. This will ensure that the authentication request is properly authorized. Fun fact, did you know that AWS Cognito can handle millions of users? It's a powerful tool for managing user authentication and access control. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. And there you have it. You've successfully created a secret hash for AWS Cognito using Boto3. Remember, understanding these concepts will make your development process smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. An alternative solution provided by another user involves calculating the secret hash using HMAC. They suggest creating a function that takes the client ID, client secret, and username as inputs. To use this function, simply call it with your client ID, client secret, and username to get the secret hash needed for AWS Cognito.